Hello everyone, welcome to the next topic of PIJ. That slides already we have seen up till to the variable. After that we have seen command line arguments. After that we have seen example or we have demonstrated this example. I have uploaded a live example including the code demonstration, how to run, what is the error while we are doing this program. These are the things that has been involved in Java. After that, Java is arithmetic operator. Which arithmetic operator Java support? That is first addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus, or we can call it as a remainder. If A mod B, we can say what will the result? The remainder will be the is result. So after that, arithmetic expression that is true or false, that in the form of machine language, that will be the 0 or 1. If a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 5, if we can say a is equal to b, then result will be the 1, that is the true. Or if it is not equal, then result will be 0, that is 0 for false, 1 for true. So here they have given a short example, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3. That is a plus b value is 3. This value has some calculation or done the right thing, so it is a true. So if b minus 2 into a, that is 0, that will be the false. This kind of example that I have mentioned here in the slides. So we will move ahead. That is Java arithmetic operator example. So I have already given this example, or I already explained all the example and all the details of this example. So moving towards the first, that is the class operator example. After that, public static void main string args. In that we have declare integer a is equal to 10 and integer b is equal to 5. Rather declaring separate, we can declare integer is equal to 10 comma b is equal to 5. After that, we can write system dot out dot println. What we have done here, directly we can concat the a plus b result. So in the earlier, what we have done, we have taken the third variable. In third variable we have stored the result of a plus b, and we have concat that a plus b. In this we have directly written a plus b. This must be also valid statement. So system dot out dot println a minus b, so it is given result 5. What we have done earlier, we have taken a third variable. In that third variable we have done all the arithmetic operator, and we have concat that in system dot out dot println. Here they have not taken a third variable, they have written down direct a plus b, the system dot out dot println a plus b. So what's this statement execute? It will go the value of addition, the value of a plus b. So moving towards the next slide, class operator example. This is the arithmetic operator example, how this the arithmetic operation executed, that with the mathematical statement or mathematical form. uh, जिसमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट क्या होता है कि सबसे पहले हम क्या करते, तो सबसे पहले एडिशन करते हैं, सब्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं, या क्या करते एग्जैक्टली. सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट, going from left to right, we are going to develop first multiplication, division, modular division. After that, addition, subtraction, and at the last we are going to decide, that is assignment. After that, this is the relational operator, all we have seen. This is all the basic concept that I am telling you. As we have seen earlier, that is less than, greater than, less than or equal to. These are the topic that have not included in your syllabus, but we are going from all the basic topics to clear all the concepts regarding the Java, its data type, loop, architecture, structure, and everything. Less than, greater than, all you know. Less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, equals to, and not equal to. These are the expression that will give the result 0 or 1. If it is true, that is 1. If it is not true, then it's 0. All programs can be written in terms of only three control structure, that is sequence, selection, or repetition. So what is selection? If statement, if in bracket condition is there, after that statement what to execute, after that statement, the braces are not required if the body contains only single statement. जर आप in case if you have only one statement, then we don't have to write the braces, that is opening and closing. If we have many statement or more than one statement, we need to give braces. After that, example, if age is greater than 18, system dot out dot println out, if value is equal to 0, you have entered was 0, the value you have entered was 0, or system dot out dot println, please try again. What is this means? First, when we are going to if, and this is the condition, after that execution of this statement, if condition and execution of this statement. Likewise, if it is true, then it will get to the statement. If it is false, it will terminate and go out of the braces. So selection of if statement condition, if condition statement else statement, अगर कोई ट्रू है वो चेक करने के लिए है तो एल्स स्टेटमेंट रहेगा, अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो ये हो सकता है, दैट इज फॉर इफ एंड एल्स स्टेटमेंट. इफ कंडीशन अगर वो ट्रू रहेगा तो वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा, नहीं तो एल्स में जो है वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा. दिस इज द इफ एल्स कंडीशन. तो कंडीशन एक ही बार दी जाएंगी, अगर वो ट्रू है तो फर्स्ट ब्लॉक एग्जीक्यूट होगा, अगर वैसा नहीं है तो नीचे का ब्लॉक एग्जीक्यूट होगा, दैट विल बी द एल्स. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then you can vote, else maybe next time. So this is the condition. After that, condition in if, these are the statement, you can check it. Nested if else. Nested if else, if condition, in that we can use a condition, that is the nested if else. If condition in braces, if condition execute, else will execute. अगर ये कुछ भी execute नहीं हुआ तो if का जो else है वो execute होगा. मीन्स if एक कंडीशन है उसके अंदर भी एक कंडीशन, ये ट्रू होंगी तो ये एग्जीक्यूट होगी, ये कंडीशन की अगर ये ट्रूथ नहीं हुआ तो एल्स वाला एग्जीक्यूट होगा, अगर ये कंडीशन वाला ट्रूथ कोई भी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा तो ये एल्स एग्जीक्यूट होगा. दिस इज द इफ एल्स स्टेटमेंट. So if value is equal to 0, then the value you have entered was 0, else if value is less than of 0, if system dot out dot println the value concat किया तो वैल्यू जो भी रहेगी वो कॉन्केट की इज निगेटिव और वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव. अगर ज़ीरो इंटर किया तो यू एंटर ज़ीरो. तो कैसे एग्जीक्यूशन का प्रोग्राम कैसे रहेगा? इफ़ यू नीड टू enter something, so if you enter 0, then the value entered was 0. अगर 0 नहीं रहेगा तो दो कंडीशन हो सकती है, तो इसमें दो कंडीशन के निकले. इफ इट इज लेस देन 0, देन इट इज नेगेटिव नंबर, अगर नेगेटिव नंबर रहे तो पॉजिटिव नंबर है. दिस इज द एग्जांपल. So in this all the multiples examples will be there. Just to check the time. In this, so let's start from multiple if statement. If value is equal to 0, then system dot out dot println you the value entered was 0. If it is a multiple if statement, it is not, doesn't consist of any else statement. If condition is true, then this block will say execute, else it will check for another condition. If it is true, then it is executed, then it will check for another condition. If value is equal to 0, if it, this statement user have to enter any value, we will check it is 0 or it is positive number or negative number, then there is a multiple if statement. If value is equal to 0, then you have entered a 0. If value is less than of 0, then it is a negative. If value is greater than 0, then it is a positive. So problem with multiple if statement, it is a difficult. So we have it is very difficult to understand what we are going to use a multiple if statement. So solution for that is else if statement. If this is the block, if condition 1 statement will block execute, else if, and again a condition, if this condition is true, this block will execute. If